and welcome to my channel. So obviously today I'm gonna be doing another Dollar Tree haul and also a giveaway. So I bought this stuff to do as like an Easter giveaway, but I just hit 30,000 subscribers, so I guess it's gonna be a little bit of both. So I'm gonna show you what I got for my haul and then I'll go on to the giveaway. Everything is for DIYs, so everyone's like, why do you buy so much like stupid stuff? Because I'm gonna DIY it. I'm gonna use it for crafts. So I found this egg. I love doing crafts with these. These are like my favorite things to redo, so I picked that up. Also, they had a bunch of really cute Easter signs. I don't even think I'm gonna redo half of these. They had this one. This says Happy Easter, and I love the little bunnies on this one. They had this sign. It says we believe in Easter Bunny, and I love the colors of this one. And then this was my favorite sign. I thought this looked like a little tin, and it's not even, it's just painted on. But I really like this. This one just says Happy Easter with a little bunny and then some eggs at the bottom. I also picked up a couple more succulents. These were like the last ones they had at the store, so I just grabbed them. Grabbed some of this burlap for DIY. Scarlett and Presley picked these up to put on our windows. They're like these little gel stickers. I think these ones are so much better to use than just the little window clings. I also picked up some new planner stickers. These are so fun. I absolutely love planner stickers, and I'm actually almost out. Yeah, they had some really fun ones. And then the last thing for the haul is stuff my mom picked up. I really wanted to show you guys these because these are like newer than the last time we were there. They have all new fairy house, or what is it, fairy garden. They have all new fairy garden items. So this is like a little strawberry and then a little wooden house. Really fun like spring colors. And then they also have like some accessories like the little table and chair and a bridge and a little gazebo, a little clothesline. This was like really cute. And then a little welcome sign, and then like two little fairies on a little teeter-totter. I thought those were super fun, and I just really want to show you guys those, that there is more coming out, so super cool. And then now on for my giveaway. This isn't like a super big giveaway. Like I said, it was just going to be like an Easter giveaway, but I'm just going to combine the two because I wasn't really going to technically do a 30,000 subscriber giveaway. But I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and watching my content. I know some of it is like really like off the wall. I don't really like do just one certain thing. I know some people do like only cleaning videos or like lifestyle videos, or like only people do DIY videos, which those people obviously get like way more subscribers than what I do, and that is totally okay because I love doing cleaning videos and I like doing fun stuff with my kids, and I like doing DIYs and hauls and whatever comes to mind. I like doing reviews. I like doing all of it. So thank you for the ones who have stick around and watched or not watched, because they know I'm gonna come up with something different in a week. So thank you guys. Now on to the fun giveaway. I don't know if you guys have got your Easter stuff in yet. I know it's Valentine's is over, so like what else is there to put besides Easter stuff out? But I picked you guys up 2 of these speckled eggs. I know a lot of people really want these, so I found some more at my store, so I just grabbed those. Also, I know people really want these little twine carrots. They had a ton of these at my store, but I picked up 2 of these for you guys as well. This I thought was really cute. This says life begins after coffee, and they're shaped like little coffee note, little notepad to go on your refrigerator. I thought that was really cute. They had these last year, and this is all I could find, but I thought this was like really cute. These are like for binders, and this says let's do this. It says errands, chores, appointments, and it has like the little 3-ring binder along with like stickers that match that as well. Also, I picked you guys up some planner stickers too, because planner stickers are super fun, and who doesn't want them? Also, I thought these were really cute. This says home is where the heart is. They had a pot holder or oven mitt, so it's an oven mitt. And then this one says home is where the heart is too, and it's just a little matching towel. But I thought these are really cute, and they look really spring colored. Also, I grabbed this sign. So this one says welcome to our patch. It has little carrots on it with a little galvanized stuff at the bottom. And I also picked up another one of these. This says Happy Easter as well, so you guys already seen that. But I will leave the link in the description box below for the giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, just like I said, make sure you just click the link in the description box and fill out the info. Also, make sure you're a subscriber to my channel, because I do check that. And there's a lot of people who sign up for giveaways, which is like insanely crazy, that aren't even subscribed. It's a subscriber giveaway, so there you go. But if you guys liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.